In this video, I'll give the meaning of some of the terms used in races and games, followed by solving problems on races and games. So first we will see what is race. We all know a race is a competition where participants try to cover a fixed distance in the least possible time. Race course, it is nothing but it is a path on which race takes place. Then we have the starting point. Starting point is the point from which the race starts. Next is the finishing point or winning point or goal. It is the point at which the race finishes. Then we have a winner. In each race there is a winner. The winner is the participant who reaches the finishing point first. That person is called the winner. The next term is dead heat. The participants reach the finish point at the same time, then it is called dead heat. Now we will see the meaning of what is A gives B a start of x meters and A beats B by x meters. So A gives B a start of x meters means if A covers a distance of 100 meters from the starting point, B will cover a distance of only 100 minus x meters. That is, B will start x meters ahead of A. Say for example, in a 100-meter race course, A covers the entire 100 meter, whereas B covers only 100 minus x meters. This is what we say A gives B a start of x meter. Then there is A beats B by x meters. Same in a 100-meter race, we say A beats B by x meters if A covers 100 meters and B is x meters behind A, or B covers only 100 minus x meters during the same time. Next we will see games. Games is nothing but they are structured form of play. Winning or losing a game is based on points. So we say A beats B by x points. It means if A scored 100 points, then B has scored only 100 minus x points. In that case, we say A beats B by x points. So this is the meaning of the various terms. Now we will solve problems from exercise 1.7 of chapter 1, Applied Mathematics by M.L. Agarwal. So the first question, A can run 40 meters while B run 50 meters in the same time. In a 1000-meter race, find by how much distance B beats A. So here they have given in the same time A can run 40 meters and B can run 50 meters. In a 1000-meter race, we have to find by how much distance B beats A. So it is given when B runs 50 meters, A runs 40 meters. So when B runs 1 meter, A can run 40 by 50 meter. In a 1000-meter race, so when B runs 1000 meters, A can run 40 by 50 into 1000 or is equal to 800 meters. That is, when B runs 1000 meters, A runs 800 meters. It means B beats A by 1000 minus 800 meters. Therefore, B beats A by 1000 minus 800, which is equal to 200 meters. Because when B is running 1000 meters, A has run only 800 meters. So B beats A by 200 meters. I hope this is clear. Next question. In a 100-meter race, A covers a distance in 36 seconds and B in 45 seconds. Find by how much distance A beats B. So, it is given in a 100-meter race, A takes 36 seconds to cover the distance and B takes 45 seconds to cover the same distance. So, we have to find by how much distance A beats B. So first we will calculate speed of B. Speed of B, we know the formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. So speed of B is, distance is 100 and time is 45. Or this is equal to 20 by 9 meters per second. Now we have to find by how much distance A beats B. For that, let us find the distance covered by B after A has finished the race. Here they have given A covers the distance in 36 seconds and B in 45 seconds. So the extra time for which B has ran will be 45 minus 36, that is equal to 9 seconds. So distance is equal to speed into time, or speed is 20 by 9 and time is 45 minus 36. So this is equal to 20 by 9 into 9, or it is equal to 20 meters. Therefore, distance covered by B after A has finished the race is 20 meters. So the distance by which A beats B will be 20 meters. Therefore, A beats B by 20 meters. I hope this is clear. Next question. In a 500-meter race, A beats B by 90 meters or 18 seconds. Find A's time to cover the race course. So it is given A beats B by 90 meters or 18 seconds. It means B covers a distance of 90 meters in 18 seconds. So from this we can find the speed of B. We know speed is equal to distance by time. So here the distance is 90 meters and time is 18 seconds. So 90 by 18 we get 5 meters per second. Next we will find the time taken by B to cover 500 meters. So the entire stretch, the duration in which B covers the entire race course will be, from here we get time is equal to distance by speed. So time taken by B to cover 500 meters will be 500 by 5. That is equal to 100 seconds. They have asked A's time to cover the race course. So B covers the race course in 100 seconds. A's time to cover the race course will be 100 minus 18 seconds. So A's time to cover the race course will be equal to 100 minus 18. This is equal to 82 seconds. I hope this is clear. Next question. A runs 4 times as fast as B. If A gives B a start of 60 meter, how far must the goal on the race course be so that A and B reach it at the same time? So we are given A runs 4 times as fast as B, and if A gives B a start of 60 meters, we have to find the distance of the race course so that A and B can reach it at the same time. So first we will find the ratio of speed of A to B. So speed of A is to speed of B. It is given as 4:1. Then it means when in the same time when A covers 4 meters, B will cover 1 meter. That is A gains 4 minus 1. This 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 meters in a race course of 4 meters. So A gains 1 meter by B in a race course of 4 by 3 meters. So we are asked to find if A gives B a start of 60 meters, then how far must the goal on the race course be so that they reach at the same time. So if we find A gains 60 meters by B in a race course of watt meters, that will give the distance. So A gains 60 meters by B in a race course of 4 by 3 into 60, or this is equal to 80 meters. Therefore the answer is 80 meters. Next question. A and B participate in 200-meter race. A runs at the speed of 6 km per hour. A gives B a start of 18 meter and still beats him by 6 seconds. Find the speed of B in kilometer per hour. Here we are given the distance, time and all in meters and seconds respectively, whereas the speed of A is given in kilometer per hour, and we have to find the speed of B also in kilometer per hour. So first let us convert into similar units. So speed of A is given as 6 kilometers per hour. Here let us take 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1000 by 3600 meters per second, because 1 kilometer is 1000 meters and 1 hour is 3600 seconds, or this it is nothing but 5 by 18. Therefore 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meters per second. So we have A is equal to 6 kilometers per hour. So that is equal to 6 into 5 by 18 meters per second, or it is equal to 5 by 3 meters per second. Now we will find the time taken to cover 200 meters by A. So the time taken is calculated as distance by speed. Distance is 200 meters and speed is 5 by 3. So this is equal to 120 seconds. So time taken to cover 200 meters by A is 120 seconds. Now we will find distance covered by B. It is given A gives B a start of 18 meter. So it means when A runs 200 meters, B will run only 200 minus 18 meter. So distance covered by B is equal to 200 minus 18, which is equal to 182 meters. And then it is given A still beats him by 6 seconds. So the time taken to cover 200 meters by A, we found it as 120 seconds. So time taken by B will be 120 plus 6, because it is given A beats B by 6 seconds. So time taken by B is equal to 120 plus 6, it is equal to 126 seconds. Now we have the distance and we have the time. Therefore we can calculate speed of B. Speed of B is equal to 182 divided by 126 meters per second, or will go 91, 53. Again it will go in 7, 9 times, and this one is 13. So speed of B is equal to 13 by 9 meters per second. But what is asked in the question? We have to find the speed of B in kilometer per hour. Here we got 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 80 meters per second. So from this we have 1 meters per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So speed of B is equal to 13 by 9 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So this is equal to, will go 0.4, 5.2 kilometer per hour. So the speed of B in kilometer per hour is 5.2. So the answer is 5.2 kilometer per hour. Next question, in a 500 meter race, the ratio of speed of two participants A and B is 3:4 respectively. If A has a start of 140 meter, then find the distance by which A wins. So it is given A has a start of 140 meter. It means A covers a distance of 500 minus 140. That is equal to 360 meters. And it is also given the ratio of speed of A is to speed of B is 3:4. So when A covers 3 meters, B covers 4 meters. When A covers 1 meter, B covers 4 by 3. When A covers 360 meters, B covers 4 by 3 into 360. That is equal to 480 meters. So we have to find the distance by which A wins. So the distance by which A wins will be 500 minus 480. That is 20. Therefore, distance by which A wins equal to 500 minus 480 is equal to 20 meters. So this is the answer.